not to take more than 2 minutes. The first
Namba ya andu aria makuaga kumana na murimu wa mukingo guku bururi-ini ithiete na mbere o ikinyihaga. Riboti ya ica ikuhi kionania ati andu 28 nio makuite mwaka uyu ukiringithania na andu 60 mwaka wa 2014.
And welcome again. Thank you.
Ihinda-inĩ riu namba ya andu aria mararigitwo na kuhuthira dawa ni yongererekete kinyagia andu 1.2 aria ni gicunji kia 75 harĩ igana. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria riboti igie murimu wa mukingo mwaka uyu, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cecily Kariuki augite ikinya ria thirikari kugacirithia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kuri a Kenya othe ni ikinya rimwe mbere kuona andu aria mari na murimu wa mukingo matigutigirirwo.
Vulnerability experienced by adolescents and young girls and young people, including girls, continues to place them at a high risk of HIV that rely on action beyond the health sector.
Ona kuhana ro uguo Kariuki ni acakaite kuongerereka kwa namba ya airitu anini aria marohana mirimu ya kuonana kimwiri orodo umwe na kugimario gwa ciana cia airitu, akiuga ni mamwe ma maundu maria maracokia na thutha uthii wa na mbere gwa kinya ni maundu megie ugima wa mwiri.
My ministry has determined that there is need for us to roll out a 6-month rapid results initiative. We will be doing this in collaboration with the Ministry of Education, with that of Social Services, with Gender and Youth Affairs, so that we address not only HIV, but also teenage pregnancy issues and other sexually transmitted infections.
Hindi ya kigomano gia kimabururi kigie murimu wa mukingo, Kenya ni yagwetirwo gukorwo ari bururi wa mbere thiini wa gitaru kia Afrika gukorwo wigite mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandũro.